In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to go live on YouTube iPad. So let's get started. Now let's say you want to do a normal live stream using your iPad's front or the back camera. You just want to show around or just stream yourself. Let's say you are not screen sharing your device. Then you can just do it directly from your iPad. So just go to YouTube like that. Then just click on the plus logo right there and click on live. Now, once you do that, you can easily go live, but obviously you need to meet the eligibility requirements of 50 subscribers and your channel must be verified on YouTube. Then you can just go live directly from your iPad, but this only works for the front or the back camera. Now, let's say you want to play a game and then live stream it as well. For that, there is another way which I'm going to show you right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and close my iPad from here. Now, how this works is what you have to do is you have to can use a wire to connect your iPad to your Mac or to your PC or literally anything. But in my case, it's a Mac, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and connect it to my Mac. Connect my iPad to the Mac. There you go. Now I'm gonna make sure my iPad's turned on, and then you're gonna click on the trust logo or the trust button on your iPad. There's gonna be a pop-up, click on trust, type in the password, then go ahead and open QuickTime Player on your Mac, then click on file and click on new movie recording. Now once you do that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on this arrow right there and click on iPad. Now once you click on iPad, what's gonna happen is if I open my iPad screen is gonna show up right there. Now what I can do is I can just go full screen and I can open Streamlabs right here, where I can download OBS or Streamlabs. It's not currently downloaded, so what you can do is you can just go ahead and search up download Streamlabs. Now once you download Streamlabs, you can go ahead and connect Streamlabs to your YouTube account, and from there what you can do is go live on that YouTube account and show this screen right here. Now once you do that, you can just play games on your iPad and it's gonna automatically gonna stream to your YouTube channel. And that's how easy it is to live stream from your iPad if you're screen sharing. So all you have to do is connect, get your iPad screen right here, go full screen, download Streamlabs, connect it to YouTube, and just go live, and make sure you open QuickTime Player and you're showing your iPad right here. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.